Hi guys, my name is Joshua and this is my wife Shannon.
Hello.
So we've been married for a year and we just shifted into our new place. So welcome to our home.
The theme of our home is modern luxury, and we got the inspiration from our travels and staying at different hotels. Okay, basically we want a house that is comfortable and cozy, and everything is sleek and neat. Something that looks spacious.
So Ernest is actually a personal friend of mine and he showed us his portfolio. Of course I went online to see the other ID's works as well, but we wanted a lot of carpentry, and after seeing all the portfolios online we figured that we'll go with Ernest.
Honestly, for me, I don't have a favorite because everything here I like. From the kitchen to the living room to the master to the toilet, I love every part of it.
I guess my favorite part of the house would be island bar because we concealed the kitchen because we wanted to separate the wet area and the dry area, but we still use the island bar a lot for baking, for cooking, food preparation, so it's one of my favorite places. So the ID that was assigned to us was actually JJ. I think he was very meticulous with everything he did. Whatever he did, he asked us for permission, asked us for our advice, and things that we were unsure of, he will also advise us on, let's say, the color schemes and things like that. So that is what I think that's very professional about Singapore Carpentry. Well, there was an issue with the first island bar. When it came, it wasn't what we envisioned. So we actually expressed our concerns to JJ and Ernest, and they were very accommodating. So they had to build a brand new island bar, and when we saw the final product, we were very happy with it. Yeah, we will definitely recommend Singapore Carpentry to our friends and family because they are very professional. Price-wise, they are very competitive as well. I think we paid a very reasonable price for all the renovation works that we did. Bye. Thank you for watching.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.